Market update on the 22nd. Crazy day in the market, down over 2%. Yields up, dollar up, VIX up big. We sold off pretty crazy today, and the video I did yesterday on the bullish scenario where we go to 460 and this being a fourth wave, I would say that's pretty much out the window now based on today's action. I wasn't expecting today to be that big of a sell-off, but we got a huge sell-off. I was expecting 419 all the way down to 412.54 at one point. And so what are we looking at now on the 15-minute time frame? I have us at 1, 2, and then you can see right here that we don't hit the overall third wave till right here. So I have us at 1, 2, and again, take parallel line. One, 2, 3, 4, and then we know this is not 5 right here, because if that was 5, we would get a higher fourth wave. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 right here. I have 5 right here, and kind of tricky getting it going into the close. I think this is an expanded flat A wave, possibly. So tomorrow we could see maybe high 414s, and ultimately my target is about 416.50. We zoom out here to the 1 hour time frame. If we're looking at this, all red candles from there. I have this as 1, 2, 3. So if this is the third wave right here, we'd be looking for 416.44 at the 0.23 fib. And then we would have a, let's go ahead and mark that. So fourth wave right here. And then I'm expecting it to go down to, based on today's action, down to 406, maybe 404. So 404 to 406 would be my targets. Maybe you can hold this right here from August 2nd at 406.83. And that would be the fifth wave. And then the question after that becomes, is this a first overall wave? We zoom out here on the daily time frame. Is this a first overall wave, or is it an A wave? If it's a first overall wave, we get down all the way to 406. We'd be looking for a pullback to about 419, 420. And then we would expect a move, probably, if it's a first wave, we'd probably go to the 2.61 fib for the next move, which would be 370. And ultimately break this low, probably go to somewhere between 320 and 340. But again, this fifth wave can go as long as it wants. It could come all the way down here to 400 as well. We'll have to wait and see. But if it is an A wave, we would expect a bounce probably in the same area as a second wave, and then a C wave down here to the low 400s. And that would be the overall B wave. We would have A, B, C, A, B, C, B, and then we would move higher into midterms. Probably go to like 460. These are the two scenarios I see now. So either a 5-wave move to break this low, or we have A, B, C, B, and then a 5-wave move up here to 450 plus. So we'll have to watch out and see how it reacts, see how low it goes. But tomorrow, I am just looking for a bounce to 416.50-ish. And I actually am holding some calls. Kind of risky on a fourth wave, but I scaled into them. I'm up a little bit going into the close. So hopefully my count ends up being right and I can make some good money at the open. It seems like the plays that you hold overnight are where you're making all the money right now. They're not really giving anything away during the day. You can make money during the day, but it's a lot harder than just figuring out the structure and then holding overnight. Of course, sometimes it could be a really big mistake to hold overnight, but I think it's worth the risk here to get a bounce, make some good money if I'm right. If I'm wrong, I don't think it's going to go that much lower to complete this third wave. So that's the count for right now. Let's look at the dollar index now. Dollar index is pretty crazy right now. I have us at either a first wave here or a C wave of the overall B wave. If we use our parallel lines here, you'll see that it comes right outside about right here. I have this as a fourth wave. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think we should be at the top of this B wave if it is a B wave. Regardless, I have us coming down here and hitting minimum 106.87 here soon. Either going to be a second wave or we're going to start making our move down to 102.30 for the C wave. The VIX, I have us at, let me get out of the 5-minute time frame. I have this as 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Overall third wave, I have us pulling back to minimum 23.40 over the next day or so, and then probably going higher, which fits the fourth wave and fifth wave of SPY. And so, yeah, expect some upside tomorrow in the morning, in my opinion, and then expect more downside possibly in the afternoon. Remember, fourth waves usually take a while to play out, though, so they could just chop it around all day or maybe gap it up in the morning and then just chop it around, and then maybe on Wednesday we start moving down again. So yields are looking like they are in a B wave, in my opinion. And so I think that's kind of similar to the dollar. I think that has a very good chance of coming back down to maybe make a lower low. So I have it as ABCA. Well, I did have it as ABC, but this looks like a corrective wave. And so I'm expecting it to come back down to possibly maybe the low twos along with the dollar. So that should be positive for growth stocks if I'm right. But yeah, tomorrow expect a little bit of upside and then more downside going into late Tuesday and early Wednesday. So that's the update for today. Make sure you like and subscribe, and look forward to more updates throughout the week, pretty much every day after the market closes.